please load the glasses and plastics on the top. Okay, and don't put them on top of each other. You just have to wait that they will be loaded one by one. Each load, they can wait. And plates, large plates on the right, the smaller plates at the middle. Make sure it will slide like that. It will slide, otherwise there is something blocking the bottom or the side. Okay, and make sure this thing to turn like that will not hit the plates. So no knives here, standing, nothing. Look, it slides, it slides. Yeah, it slides. Right? And put your soap here. Put your soap here, then close it. But we'll do that tomorrow because of solar. Thank you.